we are. Mike coming to visit my barrier property. He doesn't know where it is. He's been here 1,000 times, but not recently. What do you think of the property?
It looks a lot cleaner. Nice Jeep. You got to pay for that.
Too much.
I regulate that Jeep. So is that your truck you can't register and shit?
We're working on it. Need some tires.
Tires are worth more than what you paid for the rest.
No, it's not. It's a good deal. Come check out this sweet setup. See, they're fixing it all up here.
Oh, this is your guy with the...
That's Donnie's yard guard.
I don't want to get in and get it dirty. Whose ski boots?
Mine?
Oh, you ski too?
I have the best of intentions, but it never happens. Look how clean it is in there.
I know. Nothing but most rat pack.
What?
rat.
Is there? No.
Oh, this is nice.
I can make you a deal on that Coca-Cola machine, Mike.
What Coke?
Right there.
That's okay, Matt. No, this is cool. Very nice. Just what you needed.
No, it's good because I have privacy and I just...
Is that where Cass was living?
She was, but now she'll live... Are you okay? Jesus. Yeah. She'll live above in Grip's old shop.
Yeah, okay. Well, they must have a cherry picker here. How did they get the motor out of the Corvette?
With the engine stand, no?
No, Matt. Engine stand is to put the motor on if you want to work on it. Capiche?
Right.
Cherry picker, you know, with a
Oh, they must
ram
have
and
something, yeah.
yes, and that way we should just be able to pick it up, put it in the back of my truck, and go abuse Donnie for a couple minutes.
Can we just lift it into the back of the truck?
No, Matt. It's like 300-400 pounds. You can break your back. Mine's been broken already.
No, that's stupid.
Yes.
What do I do with this truck?
Nothing.
This one. The problem is it's on a very heavy frame.
Squish it.
No, squish it.
Squish it. Just crush it, Matt. It looks like they're trying to make a Dodge out of a Chevy.
It was not a good decision.
Is it the one with the 409?
Yes.
Oh, man.
409 plus a 460 plus trades, and I can get my Viper engine.
You mean just a whole bunch of excess weight. Is that what you bought, Matt? Weight?
Basically. Because what do you put in that? Like a big diesel?
It's
so heavy.
I know, but what's going to adapt up to that is the question. I don't know what that bell housing's for.
Open up. It's a double transmission.
And I'm just saying you need a motor that's going to bolt up to that unless you're going to change everything, Matt.
Yeah, but to drive it, I think is a pain in the...
What did Avery tell you?
He didn't say anything about this. You can't open it?
No.
See the transmission? It's like 2 shifters or something.
Well, you probably got a high and low range in a transfer case. Oh, very cool, man. That's worth buying. I bet I had 2 shifters in it. And you say I make poor mistakes. Anyway, I don't know what you're gonna do with it, Matt. Sell it for scrap, walk away. It's probably the best thing you could do.
That's sad.
Well, someone might want the cab because it's a 5 window. I don't know, but it's all old stuff.
It's all a bad decision.
Yes. So was that.
No, this is great. That thing's worth money. Yeah, so. Hi, Bobo. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, the other door's open.
Oh, it's the other one. Okay, right.
You guys got a cherry picker, you must, no?
No, we don't.
Well, how did they get the motor out of the Corvette?
Because we got a cherry picker.
Oh, okay, well, that's what I figured.
I was just going to get...
Well, they got an engine stand. Did they kill it?
Are you making fun of me, Michael?
No, I'm making fun of you, man.
Where are you going?
Right here. There's the motor. I'm looking for a cherry picker. And see what has to be moved. See, I'm making a plan to get the motor in the back of the truck, Matt, is what I'm doing.
So do you want to go out of this big or there's more room?
Well, whichever is easiest to get to, yes. Yeah. Well, where's the picker, the cherry? Oh, right there, see? So, Matt, we will push the motor to here. We will put it on the cherry picker. I will back my truck up and we will deposit your motor in the back of my truck.
And I will pay Bobo for his time.
Yes. There you go. Okay. We have a plan, see?
Yes.
How hard was that, man?
I don't like that.
There. Nice Unimog. Would you have to pay for that?
A lot of pain and suffering.
Yes. Okay. Actually, probably.
Mike, also, by the way, FYI, that Dodge driver, that was a good deal. Yes, there's a lot of work to be done.
Matt,
But
you are not one to tell me about. Basically, the Dodge cart said Russell needed a hand, whatever. It has some value to the right person.
but I was thinking about it's a lot of work still involved.
Yes, and who's going to do it? You? See, now we don't have to pay Ronnie $200 to come and look at this now.
Yes. Can you not destroy their shop, please?
No, well, it's not destroyed.
He's just rearranging.
Yes.
When we get to my shop, we can pick it up with the skid steer, even easier. See, okay? Can you visualize it, Matt? This is gonna come over here. It's gonna lift this up from the back, so it'll be hanging here, and then we'll just back the truck up and drop it in the back of my truck.
I'm not sure about your tone. But I agree. Yes, that sounds great. But your tone?
I can't help it. 7 years, Matt. Well, can't you pick it? See, Matt, engine stand, cherry picker. You see the difference?
I want to smack you.
I'm sorry, guys. I should not bring myself up by bringing Matt down. But his stupidity is just overwhelming sometimes.
It's just
7
low-hanging
years
fruit.
and, well, can't you pull the motor out with the engine stand? Is that not what you just said outside? How did they get the motor out of the Corvette?
With the engine stand, no?
With the engine stand, no? With the engine stand, no?
Yes, it was not a good, not a smart comment.
It's okay, Matt. We love you anyway. Especially when you're not wearing your pink sneakers.
I will speak to him. We'll sort it out.
You know what they say, Matt? All it takes is money, honey.
There's nothing, a whole bunch of money and time you can't fix.
A whole lot of spending money. It's going to take plenty of money to do it, to do it, to do it, to do it, to do it. This should work, right?
No, the wrong way.
What are you doing here, Mike?
Well, I
Looks
was
like
hoping this would go in far enough to grab the motor, but it won't. So we got to come in from the side. How did you guys get it on here?
From the front?
Just go
Yeah,
around.
but it won't go that. Oh, okay, just because it's closer. Let's see. I'm not seeing it working this way either because it won't go in unless we get it. You know what I mean? How did you guys do this?
I don't know. I was busy. Cassidy and Easy did it. Probably sideways.
Yeah, well, I don't even think sideways. Oh! I know how they did it. They extended this. Let's try. Okay, turn it back around.
Allow you to.
Well, I thought it'd fit, Matt.
He's the one who knows everything.
Well, I mean, I do, but it just,
I do know everything. You heard it here first. Mike admitted he knows everything.
yes. Well, I thought that's why I did it this way, because I thought we could get close enough with the width. Right, so right about there, yes, okay. Bingo, let's just put this on. See, Matt, we were close. Well, they probably keep this thing stored as folded up as small as it can, just so it doesn't take up space.
I try to keep a clean shop.
Okay, we got a 3/4, is that 3/4? Nice, these original Corvette covers.
You're gonna get those cleaned and put on the engine.
Okay, do you have the right,
Right there. Yeah, keep that on there.
oh, okay.
It's our handle.
Do you guys do this by hand, or, okay, it's tight already, okay. It's one of my biggest pet peeves is people don't, is this actually moving?
Yep.
Okay, wow.
Is this gonna swing once you take it off the stand?
No,
You lift the stand just
little bit,
here
yeah.
off
Oh,
the
I
ground,
see.
and then release it.
Are you grokking it, to paraphrase
That's
Mr.
good.
Heinlein? You know what grok means? To fully comprehend. Stranger in a Strange Land. Excellent book, you should read it.
Is that Sting?
Robert Heinlein. Stranger in a Strange Land, about a visitor from Mars that comes to Earth. Excellent book. Mind you, I forgot you don't read anything except if it's on the screen.
Correct. So is the what?
The core.
Okay, we gotta, Matt, lift that up and just tip it so that it's clear.
What?
No, grab the front of the engine stand.
Well, here, I'm gonna
just
film here,
pivot
though.
it up a bit, just so these clear up from the.
Well, I can loosen those. And
Oh, okay.
drop, yeah.
Okay, yeah. I'm just throwing a piece of this.
Get my head here.
Those two. There we go. Here, okay. Now I'll just pick it up. It's good. I'm lazy. Okay, you should be able to get that out, I think. No? A little more. There we go. Okay, it's probably high enough. Okay.
It looks like almost like the same oil pan. Is the other one that much deeper?
It all depends where the pickup is, Matt.
Right.
Right? Because the other one might come down like 1 inch more, and then there's no clearance. Who knows, right? And if they said it didn't go because of the oil pan, then
Was there anything else we needed to get? What?
Cass said that was it.
Okay.
I asked her.
Okay.
God, I love this truck. 360,000, and we bought it brand new. 2 wheel bearings we put in this thing. Actually, we can probably use one of these to put the oil pan in. That one. Okay.
What's the bad news?
So, the Canadian crate guy just called me back because I left a message with him last week, but he was out of the country. So I told him about the issue with the oil pan, but I was just going to swap it over from the other motor, and he says that won't work because the motor that they sent us is a 1-piece main, and the old Corvette motor is a 2-piece main.
So what does that mean?
So that means we have to buy a specific oil pan that has the windage tray built into it and a different oil pickup.
Okay.
Or whatever. He's gonna send me the part
Numbers. So do we need the motor still, or do we just gotta take?
Yeah. We still need the motor because I'm gonna need the bracketry, the other brackets off of it.
Okay, so, or could we just take the what? Well, there's only.
Just throw it in. It's right 3
Okay.
feet away, Michael.
Okay, we've got it up in the air. Okay, Cass. Okay. Thanks, Cass. We're just loading it up. Good time.
Mike.
No news, but good news.
Mike, what did they say? Restore cars, they say. It'd be fun, they said.
You'll make money, they said.
I said, I don't know who convinced me to restore cars, but this is a horrible idea.
You came and applied at my shop. I remember the day.
I was 17. I didn't know any better.
Oh.
I
Hey, I'm 68. I still don't know any better. Okay, you're forgiven. Okay, I'll see you in an hour and a half or so.
I thought we had an extra engine crate,
Okay,
so it's not flopping around back there?
what? We don't need a crate. It doesn't matter. Matt's not fixing this. I mean, he should have rebuilt this one, but he's not very smart.
Why wouldn't you rebuild this one? It
Because
matches
the
the
numbers
car.
match. I know.
You deck the heads,
I told him the same thing, but whatever.
ditch the hyper-eutectic pistons, put a decent piston and conrod in it. And away you go, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
You gotta
Okay,
go off
hey.
of it.
You got an old tire? No rim, just a tire.
They're all back.
Here, okay, Matt. So now lift that up. Now-
Yeah, they were waiting for a tire.
Yeah, okay. Right, then now you can lift it up and you can bring it closer, Matt. God, I love this. Here, throw me that. Please, please. Mind my manners. Oh, what?
Here's my first car.
Let's see.
a
That
60
could be the same one.
It's a 69 Swinger, wrong color.
Oh, yeah.
It was the Chicano metallic green.
Chicano.
And I should have left it that color.
But you went purple.
I went purple. It ended up around a tree on Oldfield Road.
Did someone steal it, or did you put it there?
I don't want to talk about it.
Okay, Matt, lift that up as he comes forward.
No phone calls.
Okay, hang on. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, Bandcamp Freightways. I think they'll come and pick it up. Okay, we just want to put this in so the oil pan drops in. So on 3, 1, 2, 3, lift. Right like
Oh,
that,
Jesus.
Matt. God, you are so good.
Oh my God.
You're
There you
an
go, Mike.
amazing human being.
Start strapping, Mike.
Okay.
Less talking, more strapping.
So actually, let's just go straight across.
Yeah.
So I'll go around here like this. Yeah, we'll just go straight across. Right. And then it ain't going anywhere.
Just don't drive like you did going
You can
over
put it
Adam's
right,
Lake.
Right through that lift strap.
Michael,
What?
make sure you don't drive like you did going over Adam's Lake.
You
on the right
were,
back.
you were the one on my the whole way.
I was
pushing
filming.
me. Pushing me, man.
You sound like a married couple.
Mister.
Is this what you
should
sound
have heard,
like?
Yeah,
Yes.
You should have heard him cry the first time we came over there in the deck truck, and he's looking down 900 feet to the lake. And,
Yeah, well, you're driving on the shoulder, right? Like a foot off, and it's a 1,000-foot drop.
nah. Like I said, the difference between winner, wiener, and whiner, one letter. Maybe two. Okay, close enough.
That ain't going anywhere.
No.
And if it does,
And if it does, it'll be in
it'll
a
make a
medium
cool
pace.
video going down the mountain.
Yeah.
I'm not filming going back.
Just put this one underneath here.
Well, maybe I might be because I'm just going to stop in at Avery's. But
Yes. Okay. Whatever.
Get one in there.
Maybe. These are the co-op wheels, courtesy of Russell.
Those can stay here.
No.
That's not a problem.
he's got
They
more.
cost me $500 for 4, which ain't bad.
That's not bad.
These were expensive. Those are wheel Vintiques
Are they-
15 by 8s.
Are they small or big bolt pattern?
No, big bull pattern.
Yeah.
They're going on my my.
Those are.
These are aftermarkets, but they're
Yeah.
15/8s.
Yep.
So those will go on the back of maybe my pink Charger or my 70 Coronet RT or
Nice.
my 70 Super B, because I've got a bunch of 15/7s for the fronts. Sweet. But it's nice having 8s at the back. You got to pay if you want to play.
Yeah.
And he had 4 nice Mexican hats, so
Yeah.
just a little blingy.
The hats are sometimes harder to find in the wheel.
Yep.
You got the rings too?
I actually had them when I go back. Actually, I've got a set of brand new 15-inch.
Are you not going to put those in the back so they can bounce around like that?
They're gonna bounce around. I'm going slow. I'm going slow, man.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Donnie's. I'll slay his toilet. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No worries, Mike.
Thanks, man. Matt, I'm gonna stop treating you like a moron as soon as you start acting like you're not a moron, okay?
I didn't say anything, man.
Wow.
I was too busy looking at my truck.
Well, I said, Matt, do they have a cherry picker? He says, well, they got an engine stand. Isn't that what they use to pull the motor out with?
I'm not saying anything. Look, Matt, independent front suspension.
I just assume you're making fun of me.
Okay, thanks, guys.
We'll see you,
You made a comedic relief.
Yeah.
Yes.
Come anytime.
What is going on with that truck? Something's dangling. Not just the dangling wire. I think that bumper cover is about to fly off. Yep. Yep. Good old Michael. What is that? Is that going to fly off?